with soaked sleeves and blurry eyes. They just say looks like it might pour, but it's been raining long before. Each drop's a secret I let fall. This way no one sees at all. I'm standing in the rain, so I don't have to explain. Let it wash across my face, hide the cracks I can't replace. If you saw the truth today, would you look or walk away? I'm standing in the rain, so no one sees me break. It's quieter beneath the gray, like the clouds can take the weight. They don't judge, they don't speak, they just cry along with me. People rush and never stare, they don't see the pain I wear. I'm standing in the rain, letting go without the shame. Tears and raindrops feel the same, at least out here I'm not to blame. If I fall, it won't be loud, just a shadow in the crowd. I'm standing in the rain, so no one sees me now. And when the storm begins to clear, I'll dry my face, pretend